In this video, I'm going to talk about Yaballe for dropshipping. So if you already have a dropshipping business or you want to start one, I'm going to talk about Yaballe's features, pricing, reviews, customer service, and pretty much everything else you need to know if it's the right software for you. So I'm also going to compare this with AutoDS because AutoDS is a really popular platform as well. So just to give you some context, there are certain places where AutoDS will beat Yaballe. So I will talk about that as well. And so I've included the links to both Yaballe and AutoDS in the description and pinned comment of this video so you can check it out and follow along. Yaballe is favored for its competitive pricing, especially for people that are just starting out or if you're operating on a smaller scale. They offer a pay-as-you-go model, which can be appealing for users who aren't ready for a monthly subscription. So as you can see, it's also based on the number of listings and it goes all the way up to 100,000, and that the price is going to change based on that. And as you can see, anything over 100,000 active listings would require a custom package. They also offer separate products for monitoring, order tracking, and for managed accounts, which is order fulfillment. Now let's talk about the integration for Yaballe. So Yaballe focuses on eBay and Amazon, offering specialized tools that are tailored for these platforms. And while its integration is slightly more limited in scope than AutoDS, it does excel in features designed specifically for eBay dropshippers. Now Yaballe, on the other hand, also provides solid automation for order processing and inventory management, but it does lack some of the more advanced features that you would get with AutoDS. Now let's talk about the product sourcing and management. While Yaballe is effective in management features, but it's less versatile in sourcing products from a broad range of suppliers, unlike AutoDS, which is better for this. But Yaballe does offer robust tools for product management, and it's really good for optimizing on eBay. Yaballe maintains a competent system for order tracking, but it may require additional configurations or third-party tools if you want to reach the same level of efficiency as AutoDS. Now let's talk about customer support and training. Yaballe also offers reliable customer support, although some users do report that the response times are slower during peak hours, but they do have some training modules and tools here to help you answer your questions and help you get accustomed to the platform, but it's not quite on the same level with customer support as AutoDS. You can talk to support by filling out this form right here, but generally, it takes longer for them to get back compared to AutoDS. Yaballe provides basic analytics that are sufficient for routine monitoring, but they lack the depth that you would get with AutoDS, especially when it comes to custom reporting and data export options. Yaballe offers a practical interface that focuses on functionality, though it's not as polished as AutoDS. New users might need some time to get used to the layout and the navigation on Yaballe. Now let's talk about scalability. Now Yaballe is also pretty capable of scaling, but it's definitely better suited for a medium-sized business or for a business that specializes in specific marketplaces like eBay. Now let's talk about the reviews and community feedback. Yaballe only has 15 reviews with an average of 2.8, and it's a verified company, but the majority of their ratings are actually 1 star, so you can make of that what you will. Overall, I think AutoDS would be better for businesses that are looking for a comprehensive solution that's scalable and they want to support multiple platforms and have advanced automation tools and analytics. Now Yaballe, on the other hand, could be more suitable if you're starting out with a strong focus on eBay and Amazon because it offers essential tools at a pretty accessible price point. So both platforms have their pros and cons, and you have to decide which one is better for you based on your specific business needs. I've included the links to both AutoDS and Yaballe in the description of this video and the pinned comment, so be sure to check them out. If you have any comments or questions, then drop them below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching.